Something's coming.
Genetic power has been unleashed.
You can't put it back in the box.
Yeah, I can.
Move.
Holy!
Rated PG-13.
Be careful. There's dinosaurs everywhere. And they're flipping out and killing people.
There were scenes where we had so many dinosaurs in the same frame that we had to make the frame bigger.
In this Jurassic World, you see more dinosaurs than you've ever seen in all the other Jurassic movies combined.
And we're gonna see all the dinosaurs again that we all loved so much in the first movie. We're gonna have Blue.
Hey, girl, you think what I'm thinking?
We have the Mosasaurus. We have the T-Rex.
We have a Baryonyx in this movie. We have a Carnotaurus.
The Carnotaurus fights the Sinoceratops.
We have a Stygimoloch.
We just all love the Stygimoloch.
We have a brand new genetically modified dinosaur called the Indoraptor.
It's a psychopathic, murderous beast. We're dealing with animatronic dinosaurs. It's so cool, and the animatronics are awesome.
I think what the fans of the movie like is that we still have those real dinosaurs for the actors to interact with.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Today's audience still hanker for practical effects in movies.
On this project, we're all working together to make these animals come alive.
We're able to create some hopefully really beautiful connection between man and beast in this movie.
You're all right.
There's dinosaurs everywhere.
Do you remember the first time you saw a dinosaur? First time you see them, it's like a miracle.
The island is dying. The dinosaurs must be preserved. We thought you would help.
Save the dinosaurs from an island that's about to explode. What could go wrong?
She's tracked.
Okay.
Did you see that? There is one animal that poses a real challenge.
Blue.
Hey, Blue. You know me.
Come with me. You know you can't stay here.
It was all a lie!
Blue's DNA will form the architecture of a completely new creature.
I designed this animal myself.
You never thought about the applications of your research?
Blue! We've entered a new era. These creatures were here before us. And if we're not careful, they're gonna be here after.
I say we shut this whole thing down.
It's a T-Rex.
It's not a T-Rex.